Hello friends, you are watching Student Circle YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about the Infinity Stones in detail. So let's get started. To know about the Infinity Stones in detail, we have to take a look at the Mar-Vell comics. The 6 Infinity Stones grant control over the domains of mind, time, space, power and reality. When assembled as one force, their possessor holds the key to unlock the universe itself. They are the most sought after cosmic power. The first is the Mind Stone. The Mind Stone first appeared on Captain Mar-Vell issue 45. Stranded on the planet Deneb IV, Mar-Vell and Rick Jones' minds are in danger of merging. To avoid that fate, the two allow their consciousness to enter the Mind Stone to maintain their own identities. That's how the Mind Stone appeared in Captain Mar-Vell issue 45 comics. The second comes the Soul Stone. Warlock decides to. The Soul Stone first appears in Warlock issue 45. Warlock decides to learn the secrets of Soul Stone he carries. While trying to communicate with the gem, however, Warlock is sucked into the Soulworld within it. There the stone reveals that it is one of the 6 similarly powerful artifacts. The third one is Time Stone. It appears in Marvel Comics Thanos Quest issue number 1. In his bid to collect all 6 Infinity Stones, Thanos uses his recently purloined Power Stone to superchange Elder of the Universe Gardener's Time Stone. Now trapped in a mass of rapidly growing plant life, the Gardener is helpless to prevent Thanos from taking his most prized object. The fourth is the Space Stone. The Space Stone first appeared in Thanos Quest issue number 2. Elder of the Universe Runner has unknowingly been tapping into the latent power of his Space Stone to teleport across the universe. Aware of the looming danger of Thanos, the Runner strikes primitively against a mad titan, but the Space Stone is still taken from his grasp. The fifth is the Power Stone. The Power Stone first appears in Marvel Comics Warlock issue number 2. After the Living Tribunal rules that Warlock cannot be the sole possessor of the Infinity Stones, Warlock gathers an assortment of friends and allies and distributes a stone to each. The Power Stone is entrusted to Drax, the Destroyer, who is in diminished mental state, swallows the gem whole, thinking it's a piece of candy. The sixth one is Reality Stone. The sixth and the final one is Reality Stone. The villainous cat beast Ogit causes teenage Becca Rodriguez's plane to crash into the other dimensional realm known as Weird World. By utilizing the power of something called the Vixian Seed. Following Ogiodis Demis, Becca takes possession of Vixian Seed, later revealed as the Reality Stone. Reality Stone first appeared in Marvel's Comics Weird World issue number 1. If you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon so that you can never miss an update. Thank you.